Welcome back. It is day 23 here on the woodworking journey of making $1,000 in 30 days. We are still at $120, but we got lots of stuff for sale. Hopefully maybe we can sell something here. But we also, today is a really nice day in central Alberta, so hopefully we'll be able to get lots done, lots of sanding, build some table legs, and start on a new project. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe. Hey everyone, so that will be the end of day 23, I believe. We actually just did have a sale here today, earlier. That little table with the trapezoid legs, metal trapezoid legs, we sold that for $60, so now we are up to $180. So that's good, at least we're moving up a little bit. This was also something that I was working on, was this making a little tray or whatever out of the scrap, as you've seen me cutting the stuff up on the table saw and whatnot. But we need to, I just need a little bit more scrap to get some more stuff here. I don't quite have enough to make a full board yet, but hopefully next video, because I'm planning on doing some other stuff with lumber and all that whatnot. So yeah, that's day 23. We did some sanding and epoxying, but please subscribe. See ya.